How to register on Aegen Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can register on Aegen Airlines. So how do you go about it? The first step is to open your web browser, and then once your web browser is opened, the next thing to do is to head over to the search bar and type out Aegen Airlines. So after doing that, you'll be brought to the page where you would see, just go ahead and click on Aegean Airlines Book Flight Online official website. So after selecting it, you'll be taken to the official website home page. So once you're on this page, you can see the logo by the top left corner, and then by the right side you can see other options like help and contact, English, that is the language. Yours can be different depending on your location, and then you'll see search as well as login/register. So that is what you'll be clicking on. After clicking on that, you'll be brought to the page where you register, and then you still log in. So once you can see this, just go ahead and click on register. After clicking on register, you'll be taken to another page entirely so that you can begin your registration process. On this page, scroll down, and then the next thing to do would be to select the title for yourself. Are you a Mrs. or a Mr.? Select it, and then the next thing you have to do is to enter in your name. Alright, so just do that. The next thing will be to enter a date of birth. Okay, just follow through the processes as I'm about to do now. And then month, I'll take in November. This is just an example to show you how to register on Aegean Airlines. So after doing that, next will be to select a nationality. You can just type it out, then you select it, and then you have to select how it can be reached. All right, select the language, enter in your email address, confirm the email by typing it out again. All right, 34 at gmail.com, and then move to the other side and click on country code. All right, so you can decide to search for it by typing it out here. All right, now this is mine, and then next will be to enter in your phone number. So just go ahead and type out your phone number. The next would be to enter in an address, all right, depending on your country, and that is what I'll be doing now. The next step, of course, would be your city. So what is your city? Mine is Ibadan, so I'll just type it out straight away. Then enter in the state. Mine has been automatically entered in, but for you might have to type it out. Then your zip code, and then you'd have to select the country. Ensure you select the drop down. If not, it would not be read or taken. So after that, move to your zip code. Enter your zip code or PO box. So if you have a PO box number instead, you can make use of that. And then the next thing would be to type out your password. Ensure it's a very strong one. If not, you would not be able to create an account. All right, so once you're done, confirm the password. You can just decide to copy this. Okay, you cannot copy it, so just go ahead and type it out as well. All right, then once you're done, all right, okay, the instruction here is that the password must not contain special letters, so you can just erase it. So that I'll be doing that right away. It must not contain special labels. So after making the necessary connections or corrections, you would see that all of these toggles or circles will be ticked green, which means that you are good to go. And then you can now scroll down. If you have a gift code, you can go ahead and enter it in here. But if you don't, just move down and then click on the terms and conditions. Yeah, you have to ensure that you read through the terms and conditions so that you can know what is acceptable and what is not acceptable on Aegen Airlines, and then you can be able to abide by it and ensure that your account is not restricted. So these are the terms and conditions. So ensure you go through them, ensure you read through them and understand it. You can go to them one at a time. Actually, if it is too much, then go back to your account, tick on the box, click on I am a human in order to fill in the captcha, and then carry out the exercise being displayed to you. Yours might differ. All right, just select it, click on verify, and then you wait for a while. Once it has been verified, as you can see, click on create my account. Then you can decide to update your address if you want, and then correct any other thing that must have been pointed out. Then scroll down again, and as you can see, your accounts would start loading, and afterwards it would be correct, it would be created, and then you have now registered successfully on your account. So this is how you can register on Aegen Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.